In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and target a camera in Cinema 4D. When you're working in 3D, a well-placed camera makes all the difference. It locks in the exact framing you want and lets you return to that view anytime. To begin, make sure your viewport shows the angle you'd like to capture. Take a moment to orbit, pan, and zoom until your subject feels well framed. This matters because Cinema 4D will place a new camera right at your current view, essentially turning your viewport into a camera shot. Now click the camera icon in the top bar. Instantly, a camera is created at that exact perspective. Think of it like taking a snapshot of your viewport. From here, your scene has a dedicated camera that preserves your chosen angle. A helpful tip is to give this camera a clear name in the Object Manager so you can recognize it quickly in larger projects. Next, let's make the camera automatically point at something specific. This is ideal if your subject might move or if you want to ensure the framing remains locked on a point of interest. In the Object Manager, right-click your new camera, then go to Cinema 4D Tags and choose Target. This adds a target tag to the camera. The tag's job is simple. It keeps the camera aimed directly at whatever you assign as its target. With the camera selected, look in the Attributes Manager for the target tag. You'll see a field labeled Target. Drag an object from the Object Manager into that field. This can be any object in your scene, including a null if you already have one set up as a reference. As soon as you drop an object into that field, the camera will snap to face it and continue to follow it as it moves. Using a null as the target is a flexible approach because you can place or animate that null precisely where you want the camera's attention to be without affecting your actual geometry. From here, you can gently adjust the camera's position to refine the composition and tweak focal length or sensor settings to control how wide or tight the shot feels. If you ever want to momentarily explore the scene without changing your camera's aim, you can temporarily disable the target tag to regain manual control, then enable it again to relock the focus. And that's it. You've created a camera from your current view, added a target tag, and assigned an object so your camera reliably follows what matters.